Air. When we blow, moving air comes out from our mouth. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. Air is all around us. Let us discuss about air, its properties, composition, and uses. Air and its uses. We know that matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Air is an example of gaseous state of matter. All living things need air to live. We cannot see, touch, and taste air, but we can feel it very well. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is our atmosphere. Air found in the atmosphere is a mixture of gases that contains carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases. We use air in various ways. All living things need air to breathe. It is necessary for burning. It helps in drying things. It helps the birds to fly. It helps to move sailboats on water and rotate blades of windmills. Air is used in inflating the tires of vehicles. Properties of air. Air occupies space. We know that air has mass and it occupies space. Thus, it can be used to fill into things such as balloons, tires, footballs, and mattresses. Air moves. When we spray deodorant on our body, it spreads out and we can smell it. Thus, air moves. Moving air is called wind. Strong winds cause storm. Let's know more. Wind vane is an instrument that helps us to know the direction of the wind. Air has weight. Take 2 footballs, one without air and one filled with air. Take them in your hands. You will feel that the ball filled with air is heavier than the other. It shows that air has weight. Air is colorless. Air is a colorless gas. Air expands. Air expands on heating. Hot air molecules need more space. They become less dense and lighter in weight than cold air. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of gases. The 2 main constituents of air are nitrogen and oxygen. In addition to these, air also contains small quantities of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. See the proportions of gases in the given picture. Our atmosphere has several layers. These layers are dense near the Earth's surface. The envelope of air becomes thinner as one climbs up the atmosphere. There is less oxygen in the air on top of a high mountain. Hence, mountaineers need to carry oxygen cylinders with them for easy breathing. Breathing and burning. Air plays a major role in breathing and burning. Let us understand the process of both. Process of breathing. When we inhale, the oxygen-rich air reaches our lungs through nostrils. From the lungs, blood takes the oxygen-rich air and carries it to all parts of the body. This oxygen is used to burn the food components. This releases energy and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is carried back to the lungs by the blood. This carbon dioxide is released from the body when we exhale. Thus, exhaled air contains more carbon dioxide. Process of burning. Oxygen present in the air is required for anything to burn. When we invert a glass over a burning candle, the flame goes out after a while. It is because covering the candle cuts off the supply of air. Thus, air is necessary for the process of burning. Air pollution. There are many unwanted and harmful substances that make the air unfit for breathing. They are called pollutants. Mixing of pollutants in air is called air pollution. Some causes of air pollution are given below. Dust and smoke from vehicles and construction sites. Smoke from factories and industries. Smoke and ash from forest fires and volcanic eruptions. Burning of wood, coal, and plastic. Bursting of crackers. Open garbage dumping. Germs due to spitting, coughing, and sneezing, as well as open garbage dumping. Prevention. We are dependent on air around us to breathe and stay alive. If we breathe polluted air, we may suffer from allergies, headaches, and other diseases relating to the respiratory system. Below are some ways to prevent air pollution and to make our environment clean. Use smokeless chulhas, solar cookers, LPG, and biogas instead of fossil fuels for cooking. Use CNG instead of diesel and petrol in vehicles. Use unleaded petrol in vehicles. Plant more trees as plants take carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and release oxygen in the air. Thus, plants purify the air. Save electricity by turning off lights, computers, and other electrical appliances when not in use. Use public transport as much as possible. Walk or use bicycle for short distances. Do not burn garbage. Switch off the vehicle's engine at red light to save fuel.